Hi there, hope you are doing well. Hope everything is going well. And today I'm going to show you how can you linkable your column. Okay, so first of all, Elementor in default way there are no option to you can column linkable, full column linkable. So and also section you cannot see option you doing linkable, but today I'm going to show you how can you linkable your any column specifically. So here you need to do, first of all, I share this plugin in description. mm, Download it. This is my own plugin, so download this plugin and active it. This is just 2 KB maybe, so it's not any affect your website speed. So download it, and after download you come here and your where you want to place the link, just click column, and here advanced. After advanced you can see a new option here, column link. Okay, just paste here whatever you link it. And just I want to link, suppose. So here I paste it, and after paste it, here look at this. You can now, this is clickable, and this way you can also every column linkable. And also when you click section, after section here you also advanced option, and you can see also here option section link. Okay, here enable section link and place your, this is you can keep height, and you can place there your link URL. Okay, so this way you can do easily column and section linkable without any CSS code or HTML code. This is the easier way. So I share it, the plugin in description, site description or past comment. You can download and do this work. Okay, thank you.